everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here, and we're doing some Christmas thank you stickers and some other little stickers today. So this is the canvas screen that we will be working in, so sit back, relax. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that and enjoy this video. First off, we're going to click this button right there, customize the size, and we're going to be doing this in inches. So let's change that to inches, and I'm going to be doing 2 by 2 inches. And then click create new design, and it will bring you into the working area. So right there, as you can see, it was a pretty fast. I did go ahead and I went in elements and I got a circle. So the circle is green, but I'm just sizing it a little bit. And what I'm going to be doing is going right back up here, and I'm going to change the color to red right there. Right, so we want a red circle. Then I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to get a snowflake. So we're going to do a bunch of little snowflakes here in this circle, and we're going to put thank you somewhere in the middle or something like that. So we'll get to that. But these little square boxes up here with the plus sign is how I duplicated the snowflakes. Okay, so I'm just going to fast forward this a bit, and we're just going to be moving forward fastly until I get this circle filled. So I'll be going into the text area, and I'm just gonna choose one of the texting subheadings or something from here, and I think it's pretty much gonna be very simple. So I think I might just go with that one that says cheers, and there you have that. So that's the cheers there. So I will just be deleting it, and then I'm gonna just add the thank you in there. So I'm just gonna resize it and just carry it, rather take it in the middle of the circle like so. And then we're gonna change the color, and we're gonna change this to a white color. Yeah, a bright white. And then I'm gonna go into the effects tool, and I'm just gonna do a little offset on it. Yeah, I'm gonna use that and do a little offset there. Yeah, so there you have it right there, super cute and in the middle. So I was thinking about like changing the font, so I'm just gonna go up in the font area and see if I can find something else. I'm just gonna play around with it. So this is what you will be seeing. If not, I will just leave it as is. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it to the original font that I had, because I think it looks much better than these. I was just trying to brighten the offset a bit also, but that wasn't working out, so I'm just gonna leave it as is and then go into our next step. pretty much done. If you see that line in the middle, that's how you center it. So that's a good way how you can tell the center of the writing. So here I'm downloading it as a PNG or JPG file, and they're going to be loaded into my files. So when I'm ready to print these off, and there you have it. So I'm gonna do the final one for the thank you stickers, and it's gonna be this green. So I'm just gonna change the color on it to a darker green with the snowflakes, and then we're gonna just play around with the texting area. Yeah, see if we can get it a little brighter and so forth, and do a little offset also with that. And it's exactly the same steps that I did earlier, so that's why I'm not really gonna go through all of the steps again, because you can just go and follow what I did earlier. So yeah, you can go do your offset, and that'll be it for this beautiful green snowflakes thank you cards, thank you stickers. So you can use these on your gift boxes, on your bubble mailers or your plain mailers, or whatever you have. So I'm just downloading this as a JPEG or PNG file, and yeah, like the other one, it's going to be in my file. So when I'm ready to print these off. So we have 2 more stickers to do. So the next one that I'm doing is gonna be a red Christmas bow, and these can go across your box areas, like your gift boxes. You can use them then. And so I'm just gonna put it into the work area, and this one is pretty simple. So I'm just gonna size it, and then we'll get ready to save it. But I'm gonna remove the background first. As you can see, I'm removing the background of this one. I don't think I did this in the other 2 with the other stickers. So I just removed the background. I'm gonna download it and save it to my files also. And then I have one more. It's gonna be my logo. Yes, I'm gonna use this. You can use this also for your thank you stickers and for a little holiday greeting. So this is my logo, and I'm just gonna go get a Santa. As you see that I did a Santa hat, and I'm gonna add this to my logo, and you guys can watch and see how I do this. I'm gonna choose this one here and bring it all into my work area. So I'm gonna size it, like resize it a little bit smaller. These are really cute, guys. I really like these, and bring it down a little bit more. And what I'm gonna do is just add some more Christmas decor, like some Christmas ornaments there, right near that piece that you see is sticking out on the hat. So I think some Christmas ornaments will be fitting to go there. So I'm just gonna search that in the search area, and I will get I'm thinking about red and green, which are really nice Christmas colors. So I'm gonna just get a green one, like a single one, and I see a perfect green one right there. Yeah. So I'm just gonna resize this and put it next to the tip area of the hat, right there. And then we're gonna use the spin tool. See that little round circle there that spins it around, and then you can place it wherever you want. to see that, just give me a thumbs up, like these videos, comment below, and yeah.